Isaac Newton's Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, commonly known as the Principia, stands as one of the most influential works in the history of science. Published in 1687, this groundbreaking book laid the groundwork for classical mechanics and introduced the world to Newton's laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation. The narrative of the Principia unfolds in 3 volumes. In the first volume, Newton establishes the 3 laws of motion. These laws form the cornerstone of classical mechanics, describing the relationship between the motion of an object and the forces acting upon it. Newton's meticulous observations and mathematical formulations revolutionized the understanding of motion, inertia, and the fundamental principles governing physical phenomena. The second volume of the Principia is dedicated to fluid motion and the behavior of fluids under various conditions. Newton's exploration of fluid dynamics contributes to the broader understanding of how matter behaves in motion, expanding the scope of classical mechanics. The third volume culminates in the famous law of universal gravitation. Newton proposes that every particle of matter in the universe attracts every other particle with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. This law provided a unified explanation for celestial and terrestrial phenomena, connecting the motion of objects on Earth to the movements of planets and stars in the heavens. Newton's Principia is not only a mathematical treatise but also a philosophical exploration of the nature of the universe. It laid the foundation for a systematic and mathematical approach to understanding the physical world, establishing the principles of classical mechanics that would dominate scientific thought for centuries. In summary, the Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy by Isaac Newton is a groundbreaking work that revolutionized the scientific understanding of motion, gravity, and the fundamental laws governing the universe. Its impact extends far beyond the realm of physics, influencing the broader scientific and philosophical landscape for generations to come.